Okay. Let's look at 5 here. It's asking us, what is the prime factorization of 45? So I care about the prime factorization of 45. So in order for me to do this question here and talking about the prime factorization of 45, I really care about the factors of 45. I care about specifically the prime numbers here. So you can think of this 45 here, and you can think of it as a square root. Or you can think of it as a radical or something, or I'm breaking it down to specific factors here. So let me write out all the factors of 45 here first. So in order for me to divide these two numbers, or divide 45 here, what's the smallest prime number I can think of? I can think of, obviously, it's a 1. 1 is obviously always a factor, unless the value here is 0. So 1's obviously a factor. And then, so I can say 1 here is a factor. I also care about 3, right? 3 here is also a factor, right? So if I divided 45 by 3 here, I would get 3 and 15. And they actually did a prime factorization tree, which is really good. So maybe I'll do that as well. But usually this prime factorization really helps with this concept of simplifying radicals. So I'm going to do this tree as well. So I have 45 here at the top. I can break this down to 3, and then 3 times what is 45? 3 times 15 is 45. So 3 here individually is a prime factor. So I can't really break this down into more things. I could break this down to, again, 1 and 3, but this is the farthest I can break this down to. 15, I still have factors of 15, right? I know that 3 times 5 here is 15. And then finally here, because this 3 is repeated here, I don't really care. So this here is repetitive here, and obviously I break 5 to 1, or 5 into 1 and 5, right? So it means the prime factors here of 45 are these numbers here, right? I have a 1 here, I have a 3 here, and a 5 here. We don't usually count 1 as a prime factor, so we just simply say that the prime factors of 45 here are 3 and 5. And they got the solution here is correct, right? So we can say here equals 3 and 5. Or 1, 3, and 5, 3, and 5 works as well. 1 usually doesn't count as a prime factor because it's assumed that 1 is a prime factor of all numbers except 0 here. So the solution is correct. Good analysis.